Good morning to everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the locus topic. In this one, due to the COVID situation, the two 4 marks questions will be come in the board of intermediate examinations. Okay. ఈ కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకి లోకస్ టాపిక్ నుంచి 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ బోర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ నుంచి మనకి ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో రావడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది. ఓకే, బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు discuss about this topic, now we are going to discuss about the distance between the 2 points. Some important formulas are there, so let us discuss the important formulas for that. The first formula is, what is that? Distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points. Observe here carefully here. First of all, let us take the 2 points here. Suppose A, this is the point B. So the points can be represented by the order pair, that is x1 comma y1. Let us take another coordinate x2 comma y2, another order pair B. So now we are going to find the distance between the points A and B. Distance between the points A and B. Okay, so the distance between the point A and B is denoted by AB. Okay, that means here in the diagrammatic, this is the distance from A to B. Okay, so first what we have taken, let capital A x1 comma y1 B x2 comma y2 are the 2 points. 2 points. The distance between the 2 points. Therefore, here the distance between A and B is, that is denoted by simply AB. Okay, if you write AB without using the comma between them, this will represent it as the distance between AB. What is the distance between A and B is denoted by simply AB. This represents the distance between A and B. Now the formula is, first you have to take the square root of. So here what is the points you have used here? A point and B point. Okay, in this one, first you can subtract the x coordinates, that is x1 minus x2 whole square, plus here after that y coordinate subtraction, that is y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula for the distance between the 2 points. Okay, you have to remember this formula carefully. Distance between the 2 points is the formula square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Suppose if one of the point is origin, suppose one of the point is you have taken origin. Now the distance of a point P x1 comma y1 from the origin from the origin is denoted by O, 0 comma 0 is, so distance from the point P and O, that is denoted by PO or OP. So simply we can write OP. So this is also the formula square root of x1 minus x2 whole square. That means x coordinate subtraction. What are the x coordinates here? x1 minus 0. Okay, so their subtraction means x1. Y coordinate subtraction means x1 square plus y1 square. Remember that, students, if one of the point is the origin, then simply the distance can be written as square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Here x1 comma y1 are the coordinates of the other than the origin. Next, here the distance from a point from the x-axis. Okay, the distance of a point P x1 comma y1 from the first one x-axis. X-axis is the formula modulus of y1. Okay. So here also from the y-axis have the formula modulus of x1. So that means here if a point P can be taken, let us take the x-axis and this is the y-axis if you taken here. Suppose P x1 comma y1, this is a point. Now we are going to discuss about the distance from this point from the x-axis, means this is the distance from the x-axis. Okay, this will be equal to the, so this distance line is parallel to the y-axis, so that's why this distance can be taken as the y coordinates. So the distance from the x-axis means you can take the y coordinate of that point. So if it have negative value, you can take the plus value. Okay, the same as the distance from this point P from the y-axis means this one. Okay, this is, so this is parallel to x-axis, so that's why the distance can be obtained as a positive value of the x coordinate. Okay, they are the formulas, students. So let us consider, let us see, let us watch the what are the formulas we have discussed here. So 2 points will be given, then what we have to find, the distance between them we can calculate. Okay, how do you calculate the distance between them? By using the formula, that is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So that is the distance between the 2 points. Okay, distance, simply distance of the 2 points can be denoted by, if a point A, another point B can be taken. Now AB is denoted the distance between the 2 points. Suppose if one of the point is the origin, now the distance between the 2 points origin, that is O, and another point P is OP. That is the formula. Simply if one of the point is origin, you can eliminate the origin point. Next, what is the point you have seen? P point. What are the coordinates of P point? x1 comma y1. Now simply you can write square root of x1 square plus y1 square. This is the distance from origin to another point. Third formula, distance of a point from the axis. Okay, from the axis means x-axis and y-axis. Okay, from the x-axis means modulus of y1, from the y-axis means modulus of x1. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, let's see the problem here. Observe that here, find the locus of P, locus of P from which the distance from P, which the distance from P. Here you have to see the locus of the point P. Locus of the point P means you have to take a point P. So the property of that point will be given, from which the distance from P to the origin. So here the distance from P to origin, that can be, how do you denote the distance from P to origin? Origin is denoted by O. Now distance from P to O, that is PO or OP. So OP is the double the distance. Double means 2 times. Okay, 2 times means 2 into, double means 2 into the distance from P to the point 1 comma 2. Here one more distance is there. Distance from P to the point 1 comma 2. If you taken 1 comma 2 as a capital A, now distance from P to capital A is PA. Okay. So first of all you need to take the given points are. What are the given points you have seen here? Origin and 1 comma 2 will be there. Okay. Let us take, let O be the origin. Next another point what you have seen, A 1 comma 2. They are the 2 points. Next one, we are going to find the equation of the locus of P. Locus means if you want to find the equation of locus of P, first you need to take the point on the locus. Okay, let point on the locus as P x1 comma y1. We can take, this is the point on the locus, is a point on the locus, on the locus. Okay, so this is the very important one, this one. If you write this step in examination, if you will get the 1 mark for this step. Okay, so next one. So here you have to observe that what are the properties here given. The distance from P to the origin. Okay, P to the origin means P to O, that is OP. So here I have taken, given that, read the given problem carefully, given that distance from P to O, that is OP, OP is a double, is means is equal to double the distance from P to the point, double the distance from P to that point, double means 2 into distance from P to the point 1 comma 2. Here 1 comma 2 can be taken as capital A. Now P to P to A, that is PA we have taken here. Now finally simply we can write OP is equal to 2 into PA. Okay. So already I have told you what is the meaning of OP, distance from origin to P. So origin means O, that is 0 0, you can left that one. P means what is that, distance from origin to P means here x coordinates of P and y coordinates of P squares. Okay, so P coordinates can be taken as x1 y1, that's why we have to write x1 square y1 square. Next 2 into here PA means distance from P to A, so you have to take the P point and A point. What are the P point here? P point means P and A. First point is P, second point is A. Now you have to take the P point, this one, and A point, this one. Now first of all you need to write the x coordinate subtraction. What are the x coordinates of P and A? x1 minus 1 whole square. Next y coordinates means y1 minus 2 whole square. Now you can write here simply x1 minus 1 whole square, y1 minus 2 whole square. Now x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Okay, now for cancelling square root, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, then you can get here x1 square plus y1 square square root whole square is equal to 2 into square root of x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. So whole square. Okay, now here you can cancelize like that, square root square root. You can write x1 square plus y1 square. So see here, don't take like that, because of this square will belongs to 2 square and root square. So first you can split here 2 square, after that square root of x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square whole square. Now cancellizing. Okay, now you can write x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4 into x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Now you can simplify the bracket values. What are the bracket values you have seen here? 4 into, you can eliminate x1 minus 2 whole square. This is of the form a minus b whole square. Now what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square, that is x1 square plus b square is 1 square minus 2ab. 2 into a means x1 into b means 1, plus here also this is also a minus b whole square formula, minus 2 into y1 into 2. Okay, now you can simplifying here, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4 into x1 square plus 1 minus 2x1 plus y1 square plus 4 minus 4y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4 into, here any simplification, x square, you have to write second y1 square, next x terms 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 1 plus 4 5. So this is the simplification. After that you can eliminate the bracket on the right hand side, that is multiplying by 4 on each and every term of the bracket value. 4y1 square minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 20. Now take it right side term to left side. Now you have to write x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 square minus 4y1 square plus 8x1 plus 16y1 minus 20 is equal to 0. Now arrange the order. So remember students, first you have to write x square term, next x into y, next y square, next x term, y term, constant term. Okay, this is the arrangement of the order of the final answer. So first you have to observe that x1 squares. So 1x1 square minus 4x1 square, that is minus 3x1 square. Next you have to write the x into y term. There is no x into y term in this one. Now you will go for y square terms, that is y1 square minus 4y1 square is these three ones, 3y1 square. Next go to x terms, that is plus 8x1, next one plus 16y1, next constant term finally, that is only minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, that is next one. You have to write the starting term will be positive, so hence we can multiplying by negative, and each and every term on both sides you will get 3x1 square plus 3y1 square minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 20 is equal to 0. Finally you have to write the equation of locus of P. Equation of locus of P is, you can remove the subscript values, 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the answer of this question. Okay students, this is the very important problem for the 4 marks questions. So first what you have seen, you have to write here. First here given 2 points, 5 minus 4, 7, 6. I am going to take them as A and B. Let capital A 5 minus 4, capital B 7, 6. Okay. Next one we are going to find out the locus of P. So that means I am going to take the point on the locus. Let the point on the locus is P x1 comma y1. So after that, by taking this one here, ratio will be given. What is that? 2:3. What is this ratio about? So first read the given problem. If the distance from P to the point 5 minus 4, that is as A. So we have taken this point as A. This is A and this is B. So now if you read the problem carefully, the distance from P to the points A and P, that is PA and PB, are in the ratio. So is 2:3. That means given ratio is the ratio of PA and PB. So that's why we have to take given that the ratio PA is to PB is equal to how much? 2:3. Now PA is to PB can be written as PA by PB, that is 2/3. Now doing cross multiplication here, you can get 3PA is equal to 2PB. So you can write here PA means distance between P and A, that will have square root formula. So finally we can cancelize the square roots. That's why I am going to take here squaring on both sides here. Okay. If you don't want to take squaring on both sides here, after some steps you have to take the squaring on both sides. So that is I am going to take here directly. Whenever we have squaring on both sides, 3PA whole square is equal to 2PB whole square. So that means 9 PA square is equal to 2 square means 4 PB square. So here I am going to write 9 into PA means distance between P and A. You can use P point here. This is A point here. This is distance between P and A means X coordinate subtraction, x1 minus 5 whole square. Next y coordinate subtraction, that is y1 minus of minus 4 whole square. Okay, so you can write here, you can get here P x1 y1 as x1 minus 5 whole square, x1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus of minus 4 plus 4 whole square. Okay, so no need to write the square root because of here square is there and square root is cancelled. Next, after that is equal to 4 into, take the bracket while you are going to expand the P and B formula. So here P point is this one and B point is this one. PB means distance between. You can calculate x coordinate minus x1 minus 7 and also y coordinate minus y1 minus 6. Okay, you can write here what you will get here, x1 minus 7 whole square plus y1 minus 6 whole square. So here also no need to write the square root value. Now I am going to expand here 9 into, this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square means 5 square, that is 25 minus 2ab, 2 into x1 into 5, 2 into x1, 2x1 into 5 means 10, 10x1 plus here also y1 square plus 16 plus 2ab, 2 4s are 8 y1. So is equal to 4 into, this will be of the form a minus b whole square, x1 square plus 7 square means 49 minus 2 7s are 14 x1 plus here also y1 square plus 36 minus 12 y1. Okay, now here multiplying or simplifying in the bracket terms, first you have to write square terms, x1 square y1 square. Next x term, what is that, minus 10x1 plus 8y1. Next constant terms, 25 plus 16, that is 41 is equal to, here also you can arrange x1 square plus y1 square. Next minus 14x1 minus 12y1. Next plus 36 49. Finally 85 sorry 49 36 15 85. Okay, good. Next one, you can multiplying left hand side by 9, 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 90x1 plus 72y1. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Now take it left side term to right side term to left side by multiplying 4, you will get 4x1 square minus 4y1 square plus 56x1 plus 48y1 minus 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32, 34 is equal to 0. So you can arrange here carefully. First you have to write the x1 square terms, which is 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, that is 5x1 square. Next y1 square, 9y1 square minus 4y1 square plus 5y1 square. Next minus 90x1 plus 56x1, you will get minus 4. Here 8 minus 5, 34x1. Next one, y terms, 72y plus 48y. So finally 120 by 1. Okay, 10 120 by 1. Next 369 minus 340 plus 29 is equal to 0. So finally you can write, therefore the equation of locus of P is, what is that, you can remove the subscripts x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 is equal to 0. This is the answer. This is the very important sum. Have a look on this. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the right angle triangle. Okay, so what is the right angle triangle here? So a triangle consisting of three vertices, suppose A, B, C. So if you join these three, any two vertices out of these three vertices, you will get a triangle. But if you join any two vertices, you will get a side of a triangle. So in this sense, here three sides are there in the triangle. If any two pair of sides becomes a 90 degrees, that triangle is called the right angle triangle. So for example, I am going to join here like that. This is a triangle. So if you observe here, AB and BC are the perpendicular sides. Okay, here the angle between AB and BC, that is they intersect at the B vertex. Now the angle at B is 90 degrees, here 90 degrees. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. Then what is the property about the right angle triangle? Okay, so right angle triangle means this is, if one of the angle in a triangle is 90 degrees, it is called the right angle triangle. Okay, here you have to remember that in every triangle it have the three vertices and three sides, three vertices and three sides. So here let capital A, capital B, capital C are the vertices, and what are the sides here? AB, BC, CA are the sides, So in the figure, where the right angle formed here, the right angle will be formed between AB and BC. That means here angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So here we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. It says that, so here 90 degrees, what is the, where is the 90 degrees? At the side AB and BC, that is, this is the 90 degrees. So it opposite side you have seen in the pink color, that is called the hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse side. Remaining two sides are called the AB and BC, they are called the simply sides. Okay, where you have taken hypotenuse, here opposite side of the 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, it says that the formula hypotenuse square, what is the hypotenuse here? AC square is equal to remaining sides AB square plus BC square. This is called the Pythagoras theorem statement. Okay, so this is Pythagoras theorem. Suppose one more definition, this is for triangle ABC. Now I am going to take, if triangle ABC angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So here where the 90 degrees formed here? At the vertex C. Now remove the C here. Next, what are the values here? You have seen vertices AB. Now AB becomes the hypotenuse. Okay, AB becomes the hypotenuse. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equal to side square, remaining sides AC square plus CB square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is the 90 degrees, that means right angle triangle property. So first you need to observe that where the right angle is formed. Except that vertex, now joining the remaining two vertices, that will gives the hypotenuse. Now the Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This will be we are going to use in the problem. Okay. Okay student, this is the problem here. Find the locus of a point P if the join of the points 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5 subtend a right angle at P. Here in this problem, first we have to write the what are the given here. Here you have seen a point 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5. Let them capital A and capital B. First we have taken that. Let capital A is 2 comma 3 and capital B is minus 1 comma 5. We have taken. Next one, P will be there, that is the point on the locus. Next we have to take let P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. By taking this one, next we are going to write here. Read the given problem carefully. Find the locus of a point P if the join of the points A and B. Here this is the point A we have taken. This is A and this is B. Okay. The join of the points A and B. Suppose if you join A point and B point. Okay. If you join this one, this will subtend a right angle at P. Suppose a point P will be there here. Okay. If you join this A and B, their extremities at P, it will subtend a right angle at P. Okay. That means here the triangle PAB is the right angle. Therefore, triangle PAB and where the angle 90 degrees formed at P is 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, what you have to say that here the triangle name is PAB and 90 degrees is formed at P. Now remove the P here. Now remaining sides are remaining vertices. What are they? AB. If you join AB, this is the hypotenuse square is equal to side square AP square, or AP can be written as PA square. PA square plus PB square. This is the property for the right angle triangle. Okay. If the triangle, if 90 degrees is formed at P, now remaining vertices, what will be there? AB. This will becomes the hypotenuse. Okay. If you don't understand like that, you can draw the diagram. By using the diagram, you can observe that what is the hypotenuse. Okay. You can get easily. Okay. So here you have to write PA square plus PB square. Now by using here formula AB square. AB square means you have to use A point and B point. They are the A point, B point. AB means distance between the 2 points. That is X coordinate subtraction. That is 2 minus of minus 1. That is plus 1 whole square. Okay. 2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus Y coordinate subtraction. 3 minus 5 whole square. So you can observe, you can write here, you can get here AB means A point, B point, that is 2 that is you have to write AB means A point, what is that? 2 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to PA. P means here you have to use P point. A point means this is. PA means X coordinates subtraction and Y coordinate subtraction. You can write here. What you are going to write here? X1 minus 2 whole square, Y1 minus 3 whole square. X1 minus 2 whole square plus Y1 minus 3 whole square, that is PA square, plus PB means you can use P point and B point and subtract X coordinates, X1 minus of minus 1 whole square, next Y1 minus 5 whole square. Then what you get here? X1 minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus Y1 minus 5 whole square. Then finally you can write here 2 plus 1 3 square plus 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 whole square. Now this will be of the form a minus b whole square. You can expand this one, you will get this is here also a square plus b square means 3 square 9 minus 2ab means 6y1. Here also a plus b whole square 1 plus 2x1. Here a minus b whole square plus 25 minus 10y1. Next finally you can write here 9 plus 4 is equal to, you can arrange the first x square terms, that is x square plus x square 2x1 square. Next you will go for y1 squares, y1 square plus y1 square 2y1 square. Next you will go for x1 terms, minus 4x1 plus 2x1 minus 2x1. Next y1 terms, minus 6y1 minus 10y1 minus 10 16y1. Next constant terms, 4 plus 9 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 25 14 plus 25, you can get 39 plus 39. Okay, here you can write here 13, 9 plus 4 13, that can be take it to right side. You will get 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 2x1 minus 16y1 plus 39 minus 13 is equal to 0. Now finally you can write 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 2x1 minus 16y1. If you expand this one, 39 minus 15, that is 13, that will get 6 2 is equal to 0, 26. Now finally you can dividing by 2 on both sides, you will get x1 square plus y1 square minus x1 minus 8y1 plus 13 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Therefore finally you can write the equation of locus of P. Locus of P is, remove the subscripts, you can get this is. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is the given problem, the same method of the before problem. So first of all you have to read the given problem carefully. The ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Here you have seen the 2 points here. So let us take them as A and B. Let capital A 0, 6, capital B 6, 0. Okay. Now we are going to find the locus of the third vertex. So that means let the third vertex is P x1, y1 is a point on the locus. I am going to take point on the locus. Here what will be given? The ends of hypotenuse are A and B. So here we have taken this is A and this is B. So the ends of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are. That means AB is the hypotenuse. If AB is the hypotenuse, now the third vertex will becomes to the 90 degrees. So where is the third vertex? P. So where AB is given hypotenuse, so therefore since given triangle PAB and angle P is how much? 90 degrees. Because of AB is hypotenuse, now the remaining vertex, what is that? P, that will be 90 degrees. Therefore by the Pythagoras theorem, what we have to write? Hypotenuse square AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. Now you are going to write here AB. You can use A point and B point here. A point, B point. So x coordinates 0 minus 6 whole square. Next y coordinates 6 minus 0 whole square. So that is AB square answer. So now what we have to write? 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to PA square. You can use the point P and A. PA means x coordinates minus y coordinates minus. Now what you have to write here? X1 minus 0 whole square, y1 minus 6 whole square. So here x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 6 whole square plus, next what will be there? PB square. PB means you can use the point P and B point. So x coordinate subtraction x1 minus 6, y coordinate subtraction y1 minus 0. Now if you substitute here, you can get here x1 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Now you can simplifying here, 0 minus 6 whole square means minus 6 whole square, that is 36. Here also 6 minus 0 whole square means 6 square, that is 36. Here x1 minus 0, that is x1 square, plus y1 minus 6, this will be of the form a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 12y1. Here x1 minus 6 whole square, this is also a minus b whole square. This is y1 minus 0, that is y1 square. So finally you can write here 36, 36 cancel, here 36, 36 cancel. Now finally you can write remaining x1 square plus x1 square, 2x1 square, next y1 square, y1 square plus y1 square plus 2y1 square, next x1 terms minus 12x1, next minus 12y1. Okay, now there is no terms on the left hand side, you will get 0. Finally you can write dividing by 2 on both sides, you will get x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 minus 6y1 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation of locus of P is, remove the subscripts, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, students, now we are going to discuss about the area of a triangle. Okay, to find the area of the triangle, we have to know about the vertices. So let us take the vertices. Capital A, this is x1 comma y1. Next one, capital B, this is x2 comma y2. Next this is capital C, x3 comma y3. Okay, so if you join these vertices, you will get a triangle. This is the triangle ABC. So in this one, in lower section, that is in 10th class level, you have learned about the area of the triangle. That is the formula, area of triangle ABC, when the vertices will be given is 1 by 2 into mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the formula we have in the 10th class level. Okay, so now in this intermediate level, we are going to discuss about the area of the triangle in simple way. So that is the area of triangle ABC. This is can be written as 1 by 2 into, first you have to write the all x coordinates, x1, x2, x3. After that you can write x1 again. Here also y1, y2, y3, here y1. Now you can doing like cross multiplication, you will get the simple area of the triangle ABC. Otherwise one more simple formula is there to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 into mod. How many vertices are there here? three vertices. Out of these three vertices, now I am going to remove one of the vertex. What is that? Suppose I am going to remove the third vertex or first vertex. So what is the first vertex? A, B, C are the vertex. In this one, I am going to remove this one. Remaining vertices, what are there? B and C. In this one, x coordinates, x2, x3 I have taken. Here also y coordinates, y2, y3 I have taken. So what we have removed here? A coordinates. So what are the A coordinate? X1, y1. That will be going to remove from the x coordinate, from the y coordinate, that is x1. Here also minus x1. Here y1, here y1. So now simply after substituting the values, you can do like that cross multiplication. You will get the area of the triangle. I am going to prefer strongly to find the area of the triangle this formula. Okay. Remember this formula carefully. This is the simplest formula to find the area of the triangle. Okay, half into mod x2 minus x1, x3 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y1. Now we are going to write the area of the triangle. Formula will be this one. Okay, let's start the problems. Okay students, this is the very important problem for 4 marks. So first what you have seen, A point, B point will be there and P point also there. Let us take the first that points. Given points, already names will be given. Given points are capital A 5 3, B point 3 minus 2. Okay, are the 2 points. If a point P form a triangle area 9 square units, okay, one more point will be there, P point. Let point on the locus, that is the point on the locus is P x1 comma y1. This is the point on the locus. So here how many points you have seen? P point, A point, B point. By using these 3 points in the given problem, if a point P form a triangle of area 9 square units with A and P, okay. So here P point will forms with AB a triangle with the area 9 square units. That means here given area of the triangle. How much? Given that area of triangle PAB will be given. How much? 9 square units. Okay. So on the left hand side, I am going to write the area of the triangle PAB. So that is, first what is the points in the triangle? P point, A point, B point. In this one, I am going to first fix the point P point, remaining point A point, B point. So here the formula is A point, B point. What are the x coordinates? First you have to write the formula x2, x3, here y2, y3. Now first point can be removed here, minus x1, y1, y1. This is the formula I am going to write here. Now finally 1 by 2 into, take this is x1, y1, P point x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. So simply I am going to write here. So first point P is there. Now I am going to remove that point. Remaining points, what are they? A point, B point. In this A point, B point, what are the x coordinates? 5, 3. I am going to write here 5, 3. Next one, in the same sense, y coordinates of A point and B point, what are they? 3 minus 2. So now you can subtract the point P. Okay. Now how much you will get? Minus x1, here minus x1. Now otherwise you can do the simplification of this one. If you left the point here, either of the point, what is that? A or B. Suppose I am going to fix this point here. Now you can do here 3x1. Okay, what is that? 3 here x1 Next one, y coordinates minus 2, here y1. Now what you have fixed here 5 comma 3. Now the x coordinate will be subtracting from the x coordinates, y coordinate will be subtracted from the y coordinates. Okay, this is the simplest way. Otherwise you can do the another form also. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 minus 5 minus 2. Now x1 minus 5, here minus 5, next y1 minus 3 is equal to 9. Now take it 1 by 2 to right side. 1 by 2 in 1 by 2 will go to right side, it will becomes to 9 into 2. So that is now modulus of minus 2 x1 minus 5 minus 5 y1 minus 3 is equal to 18. 9 2s are 18. Here I am going to do the cross multiplication here. So whenever you multiplying like that, directly product, whenever you go to upward direction you can keep the negative value. That is modulus of minus 2 into y1 minus 3. When upward direction you can take minus 5 into x1 minus 5, okay, is equal to 18. Now here multiplying by minus 2 y1 plus 6 minus into minus plus 5x1 minus 25 is equal to 18. Here simplifying, first you can write x1 term, next y1 term, next constant term minus 25 minus 6, how much? 19 minus 19 is equal to 18. Okay. Okay, now you can remove the modulus value 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19. Whenever we can remove the modulus, on right hand side will get plus or minus. Now it will turn into two equations, that is 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to 18 1 plus 18. Next another one is 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to minus 18. One can be taken as plus 18, another one is minus 18. Now finally you can simplifying them, 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 minus 18 minus 37 is equal to 0. Next one comma another equation 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 plus 18, that is minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we are going to write finally, therefore the equation of locus of P is, you can directly product them. So you can remove the subscripts here, 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Otherwise you can simplifying this one. So if you take this is as a, this will becomes to a, this is a and this is b a, and this is sorry, so by taking them as a as, now you can product here directly 5x minus 2y whole square, next minus 1 into 5x minus 2y, again minus 37 into 5x minus 2y, minus into minus plus 37 into 1 37. Okay, now if you simplifying this one you will get the answer here. This is 25x1 square plus 4y square, 25x square plus 4y square, 20xy, next minus 5x plus 2y minus 37 5s are 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 15 3 18x plus 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 74y plus 37 is equal to 0. Now you can arrange the order. 25x square, next x into y, 20xy, you will go for y square terms, 4y square, next x terms, 5x minus 185x, that is minus 190x, plus 2y plus 74y, 76y, next constant will be plus 37 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the locus of P. Okay, so final answer should be this one or this one. Okay, if you want to stop this step, you can take this is the final answer. If you want to expand this one, you will get this is the final answer. Either of this one will becomes to the answer of this question. Okay students, this is the most important problem. Okay, next problem. Okay students, this is the most important problem on the same model. So first you have to write the given points here. What are the given points you have seen? Given capital A 2 3, capital B minus 3 4 are the 2 points here. If a point P moves such that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5, area of the triangle will be given. You have to use the area of the triangle formula here. So for that, first of all you have to take the point on the locus is Px1 comma y1 is a point on the locus. On the locus. Now given that, what is given? Given that the area of triangle PAB is equal to 8.5. So we have the formula for half into mod. You can write anything, x1 minus x3 or x2 minus x3. Here y1 minus y3, y2 minus y3. So you can subtract anything here. Okay, either of the point you can subtract, either x1 y1 or x2 y2 or x3 y3. 8.5. Now here I am going to write here. So first we need the point here. I am going to subtract this one. Okay, that means I have to take this point and this point. So what are the x coordinate of B? Minus 3, y coordinate of P? x1. Next one, y coordinates 4. Next here y1. Now removing point, what is that? A point. That will be from the x coordinate, y coordinate from the y coordinate. Okay, this is the simplest method. 8.5. So now I am going to take it 1 by 2 to the right side. 8.5 into 2, that will be how much? 17. Now this will be minus 5. This is x1 minus 2. This is 1. y1 minus 3. On right hand side what will get? 17. Okay. Now here doing cross multiplication like that. Okay. Now what you will get here? Minus 5 into y1 minus 3. While you are going to upward direction, keep the negative. 1 into x1 minus 2 modulus is equal to 17. So here you can going to simplifying here, mod minus 5y1 plus 15 minus x1 plus 2 is equal to 17. So here simplifying the modulus value, first you have to write minus x1 minus 5y1 plus 17 is equal to 17. Now removing modulus value, what you will get here? On right hand side, plus or minus. Okay, remember that if there is any modulus value in the given problem, you can removing. Whenever you have to remove the modulus value, on right hand side will give the plus or minus. Now here first you have to take ones plus, next minus is equal to plus 17. Next equation will be minus x1 minus 5y1 plus 17 is equal to minus 17. Now here both are cancelled. How much you will get? Minus x1 minus 5y1 is equal to 0, or minus x1 minus 5y1 plus 34 is equal to 0, or they can be starting with the positive value, so multiplying by negative answer you will get this one. Here also x1 plus 5y1 plus 34 minus 34, this is 34 is equal to 0. Now finally how can you write? Therefore the equation of locus of P is, you can product these two equations, otherwise you won't get the marks here. Okay, so finally you can write this step. Okay, that is x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0. This is the answer. So if you want to do more steps, you can simplifying this one. Simply you can write x plus 5, suppose this can be taken as a, this can be taken as a into a square, that is how much you will write? X1 plus 5y, sorry x1 not x1, x plus 5y whole square minus 34 into x plus 5y is equal to 0. Now x square plus 25y square plus 10xy minus 34x minus 34 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 15 to 17 y is equal to 0. So if you want to arrange proper order, you can write x square next 10xy plus 25y square minus 34x minus 170y is equal to 0. This is the final answer of this question. This is the very important problem. Okay, students, look at the given problem here. So first of all, observe that the given problem, what you have seen here, 2 points will be there. First I am going to take the 2 points, a 4 comma 0, b is minus 4 comma 0 are the 2 points here given. Next here p will be there, find the locus of p. So that means we need to take the point on the locus is, let point on the locus is as p x1 comma y1. So next what will be given condition here? Given that here modulus of PA minus PB is equal to how much? 4 is there. Okay, so that will be given. So if there is any modulus value, we have to remove the modulus value. Whenever you removing modulus value, you will get right hand side plus or minus. So here after that this will be continued in 2 ways. By take one of the way is, first of all by taking plus 4 once, next minus 4 once, and producting these two ones, you will get the answer. But in this method, in this problem, that the process will be very higher than the before procedure. So first of all we need to take the one of the value to right side. Now bring out minus PB to right side, you will get plus PB. On right hand side plus or minus 4 is there. Here we are going to taking squaring on both sides, now you will get PA square is equal to PB plus or minus 4 whole square. Okay, here PA square is equal to, this will be of the form, if you taken this as PB plus 4 whole square, this will be A plus B whole square. If minus is there, A minus B whole square. Suppose think this is as A plus B whole square, you will get A square plus B square, sorry B square means 4 square means 16. If you take in plus, you can take plus here, minus minus, so that means plus 2AB or minus 2AB, that is 8pb. Okay, that will be you got. So here onwards you can take here PA means what are the points you have seen here. P point is this one, A point is this one. PA means distance between the 2 points PA. Now X coordinate subtraction, x1 minus 4 whole square and y1 minus 0 whole square. Now you are going to write here x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Here no need to write the square root because of here square is there, no need to write the square root here. In the same way you can write pb square. Pb means P point, this is the P point and this is the B point. Pb means x coordinate subtraction, y coordinate subtract. X coordinate means x1 minus of minus 4 plus 4 whole square, y1 minus 0 whole square. Now you can write here x1 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4, x1 plus 4 whole square plus y coordinates y1 minus 0 whole square plus or minus, keep it same to same, plus or minus 8pb. Sorry, so this is pb square answer. Here plus 16 is there, plus or minus 8pb, write same to same here. Now here you can simplifying here a minus b whole square, a square plus b square means 16 minus 2ab means 8x1 plus y1 square, y1 minus 0 y1 square. Here also this is plus 8x1 plus y1 square plus 16 plus or minus 8pb. Here you can do cancellations, x1 square plus y1 square, next plus 16 cancel. Now finally what are the remaining values you have seen here? Minus 8x1, here you can write here 16 cancel. Now finally here take it all terms to right side. Now minus 8x1 minus 16 minus 8x1 is equal to plus or minus 8pb. Now here going to minus 16x1 minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 8pb. Now I am going to take the minus 16 here common. Now x1 plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 8pb. Now 8 ones, 8 twos are. Okay. Now finally what you will get, by multiplying 2 minus value you can get, there is no changes. Now doing squaring on both sides. Here squaring on both sides, you can get here 2 into x1 plus 1 whole square is equal to plus or minus pb whole square. Now if you expand carefully here, 2 square means 4, x1 plus 1 whole square, here x1 plus 1 whole square is equal to plus or minus square means plus square plus minus square also plus, you can get here pb square. Here 4 into x1 plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square, you can get this one is equal to pb means, what is the pb? Already we have written pb here. Here pb square means you can write here answer, that is you can write same to same answer here, x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Now if you expand carefully, 4x1 square plus 4 plus 8x1 is equal, that will be of the form a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab means this one, y1 minus 0 means y1 square. Okay, now take it all terms to one side. Here cancel is 8x1. Now remaining terms should be, take it outside, right side, left side, plus 4 minus x1 square minus 16 minus y1 square is equal to 0. Now here I am going to write first x square terms. 4x1 square minus x1 square, 3x1 square, next y1 square minus y1 square minus 12 is equal to 0, constant, plus 4 minus 16, 12. So finally you have to write 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 12. Okay. So finally, therefore, the equation of locus of P is, what is that? 3x square minus y square is equal to 12. This is the answer. Or this one also can be simplified by dividing by 12 on both sides. By 12 on both sides, we get 3x square by 12 minus y square by 12 is equal, 12 by 12 means 1. So finally x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. This is the answer. So this will also answer, this will be also answer. Okay, whatever it may be, you have taken. Okay. Okay students, this is the most important problem, the same method. So first of all, you have to take here, what are the given here? You have seen 2 points here, minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0. Let they can be taken as capital A, minus 5 0, capital B 5 comma 0. Okay. So find the locus of a point will be given. Okay. So first you need to take, let the point on the locus is px1 comma y1. So what are given here? The difference of whose distances from A and B. Okay, the locus of a point. What is the locus of a point? You have taken P point. Okay, this point is P. The difference of whose distance from this point, this is A and this is B. So that means this point to A point distance and P point to B point distance difference. So here the differences of the distances. So what are the distances you have taken? P to A and P to B. So first you have to take the distances. So given, so distance from P to A, PA, and distance from P to B, PB. So here in the given problem given differences of the distances. Difference means subtraction of the distances. So that will be how much? 8 units. So whenever we have subtract the two distances, it will either positive or negative. So that's why we have to take the modulus of PA minus PB, that is equal to 8. So in the same process as the before problem, PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 8. Now square, here you can write PA is equal to, take it PB to right side plus PB, remaining plus or minus 8. Now squaring on both sides, you get here PA square is equal to PB plus or minus 8 whole square. Now expand A minus B whole square formula on right hand side, PB square plus 8 square means 64 plus or minus 2AB, that means 2 into 8, 16 PB. So here we are going to write the PA. P means the point x1 y1. A means the point minus 5 comma 0. You are going to write PA. So that's why you need to take the point P and A. Now applying the x coordinate differences, x1 plus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. After that equal to, next what will be there here? PB. PB means you need to take P point and B point here. Here also x1 minus 5 whole square, y1 minus 0 whole square. Now x1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square plus 64 you can write plus or minus 16 into pb, 16 pb. Okay, that is we are going to write here. Now expand this one, x1 plus 5 whole square, that is x1 square plus 25 plus 10x1 plus y1 minus 0 y1 square. Here also x1 square plus 25 minus 10x1 plus y1 minus 0 y1 square plus 64 plus or minus 16 pb. Here you can write cancellation plus 25 plus 25 y1 square plus y1 square. Now what are the remainings you have seen? 10x1, take it minus 10x1 to right side, left side, 10x1, next minus 64 is equal to plus or minus 16 pb. So here 10x1 10x1 20x1 minus 64 is equal to plus or minus 16 pb. On the left hand side you need to take the 4 common, 4 5s are 4 16s are, is equal to plus or minus 4 pb, 16 pb, sorry, 16 pb. Now cancel as 4 ones, 4 fours. So what you get here? 5x1 minus 16 whole square is equal to, sorry, 5x1 minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 4 pb. Now doing squaring on both sides here, you can get here 5x1 minus 16 whole square is equal to plus or minus 4 pb whole square. Now here on left hand side, that is a minus b whole square formula, a square 5x1 whole square means 25x1 square, here 16 square, 16 square is equal to 256 minus 2ab, 2 5 is 10, 10 into 16, 160 x1 is equal to plus or minus square means plus, 4 square means 16. Next pb square, pb square means here pb square is there, that answer should be this one. We can write this one here. Now you can get here 16 into pb square means you need to write x1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Now simplifying here, 25x1 square plus 256 minus 160x1 is equal to 16 into, here this is x1 square plus 25 minus 10x1 plus y1 minus 0 y1 square. Now multiplying by 16 on the left hand side and take it to left side, 256 minus 160x1 minus 16x1 square minus 16 5s are 90, 16 2s are 32, 32 9, 41 plus 160x1 minus 16y1 square is equal to 0. Now you have to cancelize them, 160x1, 160x1. Now finally you can write x1 square, 25x1 minus 16x1. Here now now we have to simplifying here, 25x1 minus 16x1 square, that is 9x1 square. Next these are over. Next minus 16y1 square plus 256 minus 410, 154, so that is minus 154 is equal to 0. Now here you can write 9x1 square minus 16y1 square is equal to 154. Sorry students, here 16 25s are 400. Here 400. Now if you removing here, you will get here 144 here. This will get 144. So 144. Now you can dividing by 144. Now you will get 9x1 square by 144 minus 16y1 square by 144 is equal to 144 by 144. Now finally you can cancel 9 ones are 9 16s, x1 square by 16, 16 ones are 16, 9s are 1. So therefore the equation of locus of P is x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. This is the equation of locus of P. Okay, this is the most important problem, students. Okay students, this is the problem. Given here A point and B point are 2 points. If P is a point such that PA plus PB is equal to 8, then find the locus of P. Here given directly condition. So first of all you need to take the what are the points you have seen here. Given A point 2 3, next one B point 2 minus 3. Let P x1 comma y1 be the point on the locus. Now what is the given condition in the problem? Given PA plus PB is equal to how much? 8 will be given. So this problem is simplified by in two methods. One method is same as the before problem method. Second method is the another way, that will be of the form. So if PA plus PB is there, now we know that PA square minus PB square, that is this is of the form A square minus B square formula is A plus B into what is that? A minus B. Okay, so here you need to write here PA square means what is that? P point A point you have taken, P point A point. PA square means distance between the 2 points formula, that is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. Next one minus PB. PB means here you have to write bracket. P point B point you can use here. P point B point. P point is this one, B point is this one here. x1 minus 2 whole square, y1 plus 3 whole square. x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. This will be left hand side answer. Now PA plus PB how much here? From the equation 1 this value is 8. Next one into PA minus PB here. Now finally if you simplifying here, if you expand the minus value, you can get here this one and this one both are cancelled. Now y1 minus 3 whole square minus of y1 plus 3 whole square is equal to 8 into PA minus PB. So this is of the form A minus B whole square minus A plus B whole square. What is the formula? Here A minus B whole square minus A plus B whole square. If you expand this one, you will get minus 4AB is the answer. Now I am going to write this formula here. Okay, now here A means y1 square, y1, B means 3. Now minus 4 into A means y1 into 3 is equal to 8 into PA minus PB. Now finally 4 ones are here, 4 twos are. Now what you will get, PA minus PB is equal to finally minus 3 by 2 by 1. This is the equation number 2. Okay, now I am going to add these two equations, 1 plus 2. Adding, how much you will get here? PA plus PB. This is the first equation of the left hand side of the first equation, plus left side of the second equation minus PB is equal to, you can do add the right hand side of the both equation, you will get this one. Now PB cancel, again here you get PA is equal to, PA plus PA 2PA is equal to 8 minus 3 by 2 y1. Okay, now 2PA is equal to, now doing LCM here, 16 minus 3y1 by 2. Now doing cross multiplication, how much you will get? 4PA whole square, 4PA is equal to 16 minus 3y1. Okay, now doing squaring on both sides here, how much you will get? 4PA whole square is equal to 16 minus 3y1 whole square. Now expand this one, 4 square means 16, PA square is equal to, this is A minus B whole square, 256 plus 9y1 square minus 16 5s are 80, 83s are 240 y1. Now on left hand side, 16 into PA means what you have to write? P point and A point. So PA means x1 minus 2 whole square, y1 minus 3 whole square, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 256 plus 9y1 square minus 240 y1. Now you can write 16 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6y1 is equal to 256 plus 9y1 square minus 240 y1. Now multiplying here, before going to multiplication you are going to simplify here, plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 13 is equal to 256 plus 9y1 square minus 240 y1. Now multiplying by 16 on left hand side, 16x1 square plus 16y1 square minus 16 4s are 64x1, 16 6 are 96y1, 16 13s, 13 6 are, you have to multiplying here, 18, 3 ones are 3 4, 16, 8 4 208. So here you get 208. Now take it all terms to left side, minus 9y1 square plus 240 y1 is equal to 0. Now you can write the first of all x square terms, that is 16x1 square, there is no x1 square, 16x1 square, next y1 square plus 16y1 square minus 9y1 square, you will get 7y1 square, next one minus 64 x1, next there is no x1, minus 96 plus 240, 240 96, subtract 4 here, 4 144 plus 144 y1, next one constant terms 256 minus 208, 16 minus 8, 6, here 4, 46, that is finally plus 40 minus 46 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the final answer. So finally you can write, therefore the equation of locus of P is, that is that 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x plus 144y minus 46 is equal to 0. This would be the answer. Sorry students, here some mistake will be done here. That mistake is here. Whenever we have to expand the a minus b whole square formula here, a minus b whole square formula expansion. So 16 square means 256, 9y square, 3y square means 9y square. Now 2ab means you will get 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96. Here we are going to write the 96 here. Here also 96. Here also 96. Here 96. Here also 96. So finally here we are going to change here. Okay. Now what is that? Here we have to write 96. 96. Here also 96. 96. 96. Finally here 96. Here 96 by 1, 96 by 1 cancel. Now if you write this one, 16x1 square, next 16y1 square minus 9y1 square plus 7y1 square, next minus 64x1, next finally plus minus 48, 256 minus 208, 48 is equal to 0. Finally, therefore the equation of locus of P is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay students? Okay students, they are the important questions for the locus topic. Okay, one more thing you have to remember, the questions in this video all are the very important for the Board of Intermediate Education of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So for reduced questions, if you want to read some most important questions in this video, please refer the second question, question number 2 and question number 3, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8. So these 6 questions should be most important questions of the locus topics. So here totally I have told you 9 important questions. Out of these 9 important questions, most important questions are question number 2, question number 3, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8. Okay students, I hope you understand this class perfectly. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye.